Behind this door is another word: small space, perfect order. Here, every millimeter is respected. Cutting doesn't just separate material, it separates ordinary from excellence. Edging is a test of both touch and durability. Every hole hides an invisible precision. Cleanliness is our silent standard. Every board is seen 3 times before it leaves. Packaging is not the end. It's the beginning of protection. We don't compete on size. We compete on care. Customer living. Small workshop, big soul.